Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have list of products columns. And we have product category column. And we need to separate data category wise. First, we create headings to segregate data. Now define what products to segregate. Now, make length of columns equal. Now, use here formula equals to filter. For array, select whole data. Now, we use comma for second instructions. We need to select category column. Now, use equals to sign. And write desired product to segregate. You can change alignment to center. Now, we move to our second task. Again, use here equals to filter formula. Now, select whole data table. Now, select category column. We need to segregate by equals to sign. Again, change alignment of column. Now, we test our formula by changing category. You will see the reflection of our formula. This is how we can segregate data using filter.